Let's have an autumn themed tea party. I'll give you some ideas, and then I'll give you a gourmet recipe, and then I'll send you on your way with inspiration for your own autumn themed tea party. And you will have that herbed, savory recipe that will impress your guests. And I gave you a little recipe card in this video. And that way, you can give to your guests as well. All right, let's get started. Here is the recipe, and then we'll make it. And I have a couple of rosemary sprigs, and I am just going to bring that to a little boil, and then I'll put a top on it, take it off the heat, let it infuse, and then I'll strain out the herb, the rosemary, and then that will be our honey rosemary infusion. All right, so our infused rosemary honey, and then we'll start our next step so we can have that. If you could just smell this, it is just savory, guys. You can put this in oatmeal. You can put it in your lattes. You can stir it in your teas. You can do so many things with it. In a saucepan, what I have here is some pumpkin puree. Yep, you can just get it in the can. I added some nutmeg, I added some ginger, I added some cinnamon, some cloves, some pure vanilla, some salt, and I'm gonna put a little bit of apple juice in there. And then I am going to stir it, get it all glossy, and just let it simmer a little bit. Then I will add my strained rosemary infused honey, guys, and then you can just spread this butter, this herb butter, yes, all of this goodness. All right, so I'm gonna add my little apple cider. You can add apple juice, apple cider, feel free. Play around with your ingredients, but it will taste so good. All right.